On Monday morning, Alex gets the call. Present the new strategy by Friday, write the report, and share everything with the team. Clean, clear, and convincing. He has 1 week, one message, and many moving parts. This is business communication, done the smart way. First, Alex starts fresh. File, new presentation, or new templates. He selects from templates or searches for a theme that fits the audience and purpose. Templates provide pre-formatted slides, consistent fonts, colors, and layouts from the start. To add content, Alex clicks the Insert tab at the top, then selects Insert New Slides. He picks the right layout, title, comparison, or to content, whatever clarifies the message. To add visuals, Alex opens the Pictures drop-down menu. He selects stock images, searches by topic, clicks to select, then Insert. The designer button offers fresh layouts on the right, instant polish, less effort. During the meeting, Alex clicks Share Content and chooses whether to include computer audio. He decides what to show: screen, PowerPoint Live, Microsoft Whiteboard, or freehand by Envision, or a specific window. A red border shows what he's sharing, and notifications stay hidden from participants. When he's done, he selects Stop Sharing. Simple and clean. Slides are set. Now Alex must write proposals and reports that move decisions. Let's unpack what each does and when to use them, because content wins when structure serves the story. A proposal persuades stakeholders to support a plan. A report presents information, findings, and analysis. Proposals outline what you intend to do, why it matters, how you'll do it, and the resources you'll need. Reports communicate results of research or investigation. Clear, complete, and useful. Business documents cluster into 3 basics: informational reports, analytical reports, and proposals. Informational share status. Analytical interpret data. Proposals drive action. Start with a crisp statement of purpose, your why and your what. Prepare a work plan, define tasks, schedule milestones, and involve the right people. Support your message with reliable information. Plan research, locate data, process it, and apply findings. Apply means summarize clearly, conclude logically, and recommend actions. Manage information efficiently so nothing gets lost when deadlines close in. Develop a problem statement that frames the decision you're supporting. Identify the information required, what metrics, constraints, and stakeholders matter. Honor ethics. Do not skew research. Gain consent. Protect identity. Don't mislead. Credit sources. Respect IP. Never distort. And be courteous. Primary research is original. Surveys, interviews, experiments, focus groups, observations. Secondary research summarizes existing work. Literature reviews, data analysis, academic sources. Use both in reports, proposals, and presentations for a fuller picture. Primary is first-hand, time-consuming, and costly with high control. Secondary is faster, cost-effective, less controlled, and may be outdated. Pick the mix that balances rigor, timeline, and budget, always tied to your purpose. Evaluate every source: reputation, bias, purpose, author credibility, verification, and currency and completeness. Apply sense and scrutiny. Assume nothing, confirm everything. Use quoting for exact wording, paraphrasing to reframe faithfully, and summarizing to condense meaning. Never plagiarize. Credit every idea that isn't yours. Draw conclusions that follow the evidence. No leaps, no gaps. Make recommendations actionable. Clear steps, owners and timelines, easy to locate in the document. Library sources: newspapers, business books, government publications, and curated databases. Online sources: search engines, online databases, alerts, and news feeds. Understand your search tools and think before searching. Define keywords and operators. Use variations and synonyms, and review beyond the first page. Quality can hide. Adjust scope. Broaden when too few results. Narrow when you get noise. Document sources to give credit, strengthen credibility, and enable further exploration. Choose a style and stick to it. Consistency signals professionalism. When sharing in teams, confirm the red border and test audio. No surprises mid-pitch. Wrap cleanly. Stop sharing, then summarize next steps. Provide clear instructions so respondents know exactly how to answer. Keep questionnaires short. Attention is precious. Avoid leading questions. Ask one question at a time to reduce confusion. Avoid sampling bias. Make your sample represent the population. As a guide, 30 to 100 for small studies, 200 to 500 for medium, and 1,000 plus for large. Plan carefully. Define goals, topics, and timing. Ask open-ended questions to explore, and closed questions to confirm specifics. Think about sequence. Start easy, build depth, end with reflection. Record only with permission, and store files securely. Include an interview transcript as Appendix A for transparency. Add context, participant details, and the when, where, how long. List questions and responses verbatim, cleaned only for readability. Informational reports monitor operations, implement policies, and demonstrate compliance. They also document progress, what happened, what's next. Communicate the main idea quickly, then support it with evidence. Use a direct approach, establish the need, introduce benefits, explain steps, and summarize. Name files consistently, track versions, and centralize access to keep teams aligned. With data in shape, Alex turns to structure, the frame that carries the story. Proposals flow. Introduction and problem. Objectives. Methodology. Project plan. Budget. Evaluation. Sustainability. And a call to action conclusion. Use a Gantt chart to visualize tasks, milestones, and dependencies. Turn intent into a calendar. Reports are systematic. From literature review to results and discussion, ending with conclusions, recommendations, references, and appendices. Draft with an inviting introduction, an analytical body, and a close that crystallizes action items. Make reading easy. Clear headings, smooth transitions, and previews and reviews to guide attention. Consider whether the proposal is solicited or unsolicited. Tailor tone and detail accordingly. Be error-free and readable. Typos erode trust. Choose visuals that clarify. Tables for detail, charts for trends, flowcharts for process, infographics for narrative, photos and video for context. Use templates. Maintain consistency. Standardize fonts, colors, and layouts. Position visuals properly, refer by number, and include clear titles and captions. Proof for accuracy and ethics. Check errors, verify sources, and avoid distortions. Complete the package, review organization and tone, ensure clarity and logic, and test links and files. Formal reports may include an executive summary, cover page, table of contents, appendices, and a bibliography. Distribute physically by courier or in person, or electronically. PDF is preferred unless told otherwise. Ready to level up your business communication? Like, subscribe, and share, then put these steps to work today.